Shine, she is she is tidying up the house. It's Sunday morning in Jamaica. Sonny, come here. Come make it people and see her sweep. Where you run gone? Where you run gone? You know, should I stand up? Sunshine, where are you, honey? You come like bait. Son, Sonny. Bongo. Bongio. Sunshine. Come here. You look like some other woman. Come and say morning to me live.
Oh yeah, yes.
Sunshine. Don't let me beat you up, eh? Let me show you the beautiful views. Look there. Banana tree, breadfruit tree, ackee tree. Morning, guys. Hi, Flora. Welcome to my live. We have put our mask. You have COVID. I'm not from Ghana. I'm from Jamaica. Are you from Ghana? I'm Jamaican born and bred. Sunshine. So where you from? Flora G, where you from? Oh, Albania. Okay, welcome. Well, look at the view. This is Jamaica. This is the countryside. This is what it looks like. Bongo! Wagwan. I run me? You're so rude. What? Where you coming from? Yeah, it is pretty. This is the countryside. And let me show you. From the country we can see all the mountains over there and the sea from a distance. It's very pretty. The country is the best. So this is the view from my house. El Bongo. Yeah. So this is it. This is live is gonna be short and sweet. So thanks for tapping in, guys. Peace out.